Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find items on Amazon on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're shopping on Amazon and you want to go ahead and see if it's on Temu. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is find an item on Temu. And then you want to go ahead and copy the whole title. Next, go onto Temu, copy and paste the title into the search bar, and then click on enter. Notice how this first image here, if we click onto it, this is going to redirect us to the product page, and you can almost see that the product page and the Amazon page is completely identical. So it's the same exact photos, same exact items being used. So this tells me that this item is also on Amazon, but it's cheaper on Temu. You can see here it's $83, but on Amazon it's $150. So go ahead and add this to your cart, and there you have it. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find items on Amazon that are on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.